Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about groups in the modern periodic table. The main aim of the classification is to make the elements into groups with similar properties. Here in the long form of the modern periodic table, we can see 18 columns. These 18 vertical columns are called the groups. Earlier they are shown with the 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 6A, 5A in this manner. But nowadays, as per the IUPAC recommendations, we are using 1 to 18 numbers. In this, 1 and 2, left to last column is group 1, next to it is group 2. These two are called the S block elements. 13th to 18th group elements are called the P block elements. 3rd to 12th group elements are called the D block elements. And under this main table, there are 28 elements in 2 rows. Lanthanides and actinides, they are F block elements. The modern periodic table is prepared on the basis of the electronic configuration of the elements. That's why in each group the valence shell configuration is same for all elements in a group. For the elements in the group 1, the valency configuration is NS1. For the 13th group, all elements in the 13th group have the same valence shell configuration, that is NS2 NP1. Means in its valence shell there will be 3 electrons. That's why they possess similar properties, similar chemical and physical properties. So the elements in a group possess similar properties. For this, let us know some more things about the groups. The vertical columns in the periodic table are known as groups. There are 18 groups in long form of periodic table. They are represented by using Roman numerals 1 to 8 with letters A and B in traditional notation. Earlier we are using Roman numerals and AB. Latest recommendations of the IUPAC, now we are using only Arabic numerals 1 to 18 with no A and B designations. We use the latest system with the traditional heading. That means for the second group we use group 2, in brackets we show 2A also. In this manner we use the latest recommendations of the IUPAC, but we also write the traditional notation. Group of elements is also called element family or chemical family because all the elements in a group possess similar properties. That's why they are called a family. For example, group 1 has from lithium to francium with the outer shell electronic configuration NS1 and is called alkali metal family. The group 1 is called the alkali metal family. The group 2 is called the alkali earth metal family. Some main group elements of S black and P black have family names with the first element name. Let us see them also. Group 1, it is called the alkali metal family, lithium to francium. The valence shell configuration is NS1. Means in the valence shell there will be only one electron, its valence is 1. Why? The noble gases in the 18th group are very stable because they have octet in the outer shell. We have the information about this octet and chemical bonding in the 8th lesson, but for this year the 8th chapter is not there for the examinations. That's why we will not study it for the examinations. If you go through it in the textbook, you can find that the elements with octet in the outer shell have the stability. That's why noble gas family elements are very stable. If an element gets the noble gas configuration, then it will be stable. To reduce their energy, to get the stability, the atoms participate in the chemical bonding. To participate in the chemical bonding, they give or receive the electrons or share the electrons. If the element have less than 5 electrons, its valency is equal to the number of electrons in the valency shell. That's why for the first group elements there will be 1 electron in the valence shell and its valency also 1. For the second group, it is called the alkali earth metal family. Its valence shell configuration is NS2 and the electrons in the valence shell are 2. Its valency also 2. Boron family, 13th group, valence shell configuration is NS2 NP1. Valence electrons are 3, valency also 3. Carbon family, 14th group, NS2 NP2 is the valence shell configuration. 4 valence electrons are there in it and its valency also 4. For the nitrogen family, 15th group, its valence shell configuration is NS2 NP3, means 5 electrons are there in the valence shell. Valence electrons are 5. Valency is 3 because any atom has to get 8 electrons in its outermost shell to obtain the noble gas configuration. But here the nitrogen family elements have 5 electrons in valence shell. It is easier to get 3 electrons than giving 5 electrons. That's why its valency is 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Similarly, for the 16th group, it is called the oxygen family or chalcogen family. Its valency shell configuration is NS2 NP4. There are 6 electrons in the valence shell. That's why 8 minus 6, that is 2, is its valency. For the halogen family, that is 17th group, NS2 NP5 is the valence shell configuration. There are 7 valence electrons in it and valence is 1 because it needs only 1 electron to get the noble gas configuration. In this way, the elements in each family have similar valence shell configuration and have the same valency. That's why they possess similar chemical and physical properties. Thank you.